Okay, I haven't started my vlog yet and I'm like 2 minutes away from school. But hi guys, welcome back. This is a weekly vlog. I'm not going to be doing these every week, but this week's quite exciting because it's my birthday, but that's going to be a separate vlog. Okay, hello, I'm back from school as you can probably tell. I'm sorry about the rough starting I had to this vlog, but I just need to address it up. But anyway, now I'm just watching Crazy Ex-Girlfriend because I did start it, but I haven't watched the episode in a while. Although they're really cringy, so I like skip through a lot of it, but I still like it. Also, I'm really digging the hair today, like, what? I never really dig my hair straight. I always dig my hair curled, but never straight, and I'm actually feeling it, like, feeling it. Oh my hair looks humongous.
You've got a bit of a cough, haven't you?
Hey! Mate, Rusty, look at you, look at you. Oh my god, what are you doing, mate? Oh! Oh, I love you too. I love you too. Oh, you're just a small little Luna. Come on, Rusty, over here. Come on. Hey, hello. Come on, mister. Oh, yeah. Hello. Oh. Ow. You gonna play with Luna's ring? Da. Oh, you're gorgeous. Go on in. Get it. Oh my god, you are so playful compared to Luna. Oh. No! Stop attacking me! Stop! What are you doing? Why? Hello, mister. Gotta play? Give me it. Luna's special bed. Stop. Rusty. Give me it. Hey. There you go. I really need a toy and I was bringing one in and I'm having a little bit of a disaster since puppy bites hurt. No, please no, stop. Get your teeth off that. It is the next day for my vlog and I'm starting it off again by walking to school. I wake up at a good time in the morning, but I just never start my vlog. I don't know why. Probably because I'm trying to get ready and just trying to enjoy my morning while relaxing. I mean, kind of, no. Okay, I have cross country today and I've got basketball as well, so that's fun. Oh my god! Oh my god! Title Bleeding at School.
The life of me.
Holy mama, look at me. Oh my god, it's a ice, Jesus. At least it's not hail, at least it's not hail, at least it's not hail.
You've seen this, right? Not having it, Mother Nature.
I feel like a snowman.
Who do they think they are?
I know. It's this again. This blizzard weather. Just like when we were walking out across country and it's awful, so it's and we're like, honestly, I'm gonna be soaked by the time I get home. England, what are you doing? So yeah, oh my god, my hair's wrong. Sorry, everything's failing. This is my microphone one as well. But yeah, I am getting picked up today as well. Because I didn't see that it was like snowing. But if you can see it, but it's getting worse, not better. Oh, it's in my eye. I can't. This is what it looks like now. It is settling. I'm on my phone again, by the way. My phone turned back on. Let's see how Luna deals with it. Yeah. So I swear to God, if it's like this on my birthday, I'm going to scream. Aww. Should back in. Look at it. Back here. Let's just let's just not, Luna. I agree with you. Let's just snuggle. I've got my pajamas on already, guys. I'm not even joking yet. Yeah. The first thing I said in the first clip, I said that I've looked on my camera, but I'm not going to put that clip in. I'm just going to explain here. I just walked home in snow like that. The videos do not give it justice of how much it was snowing and how much it is snowing. I am so happy to be living so close to school. Like, I still got like a 10-15 minute walk, 20 if I'm like walking slowly, which I wasn't. So like a 15-minute walk, depends. To get home, and it was freezing. I'm still like an icicle. This is why I'm like so like covered and I'm so like wrapped up. I will go get under a duvet probably. My hair, this is just formed as I've been walking. I'm just tapping back here. Look at all of this. Hi guys, I'm walking to school now, so I don't want to bring it up too high, but the start of the new day of the vlog, it's a Wednesday, and I'm going to school, living life today. No? But yeah, I'm just walking into school. Look at my hair. Yay. I am back from school. That was a really rough intro, I know. I was literally walking into school and there was people around and I just didn't feel confident in going, hey, oh, my health crazy. It's been an okay day, you know, as good as school can go. I'm just a little bit bored now. I am going to bath because, guys, and looking careful, but it's a full bath. You're not full bath, so yeah. Nice. I literally live for baths, so ignore my hair, it's bad. I love just soaking and sitting there for ages and watching Netflix, reading a book. It's just a downtime to think. Not gonna lie, I'm super happy right now. I was absolutely starving. Like, I was really hungry. I'm not gonna say I was starving because like I wasn't starving. I know it's like a phrase, but like I wasn't starving. By the way, I'm really tired and my eyes are a little bit like but like I was really hungry. And I just had one of the best days ever. My mum and dad have been cooking like this health book, and we had like healthy enchiladas, and I just didn't have the cheese with it. And my boy, did I enjoy it, like absolutely enjoy it. Hi guys, it's the next day of school, but I'm actually tying it in the room for once. I was just sat down straightening this front piece of my hair because this is not working out, and I probably will have this hairstyle by the end of the day, I can promise you that. But yeah, I'm done now. I can plug that. So I'm home from school. I have been home for a while. I got home, took Lena around, came back, and then I started watching the new Riverdale. I'm not gonna give any like spoilers, but oh my, I was like, get away, get away, and I was so like sarcastic and also like, so yeah, I definitely suggest watching it if you don't already. Although watch season 1 first, and then go into season 2 and then new episodes. But it's so good, I definitely suggest watching Riverdale. But now I'm just trying to figure out, do I stop this vlog here, I start a new one tomorrow, or not? I'm going to stop this one here, I'm going to start a new one now, so that I have a bit of tonight, and then I've got tomorrow. yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to get a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you also my social media links are all in the description, so definitely follow me on there because I'm plenty of active and I complain, I'll do whatever I want, and I post lots of Instagram photos which you might like. And yeah, that's the end of my video. So I'll see you all on Saturday most likely. Bye!
Maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive thing.